Once upon a time, there was a bird with two heads, but only one stomach. Once the bird was flying high in the sky. He saw a fruit lying on the ground.
I am your brother head. Why don't you let me also eat the fruit? Shut up! You know that we have only one stomach. Whichever head eats, the fruit will go to the same stomach. So it doesn't matter as to which head eats it. Moreover, I am one who found this fruit, so I have the first right to eat it.
One day, while flying, the other head spotted a tree bearing poisonous fruits.
Please don't eat this poisonous fruit. If you eat it, both of us will die because we have a common stomach to digest it. Shut up! Since I have plucked this fruit, I have every right to eat it.